Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did some 3D crystal geode nails. I think these are super cute, and I love the 3D element added to it, so keep watching for the tutorial. Alright, so I started off with Geode's Recycle, which is just a dark gray that I use as a base for all of my nails. You could also go in with a lighter gray or maybe a black or whatever kind of color you're feeling. I just went with the gray because I figured that's like, standard rock color, obviously, and I went with the dark one instead of a light one. So I applied that color to all of my nails. This is the third coat, and then I cured it. And next I'm taking a Madame Glam's Perfect Black, as well as their Perfect White shade, and then Le Chat Hologram Diamond, and Geode's Fairy Dust. So starting off with the black on a long detail brush, I just made some dark lines in all of my nails, and on my middle two fingers I made two big areas in the center of my nail where the crystals or crushed shells are going to go, and then I outlined those like twice, kind of. Well, not outlined, but whatever you call that. So I just made those marks on there, and on the pointer finger and the pinky I was just kind of going for a stone effect of like the outside of the rock, so just something kind of basic like that. And then once that was done, I cured the black, and then I took some white and I went and outlined the black lines that I just did, just to give it some more color and, I don't know, depth and dimension. And then before I cured that white, I took my cleanup brush and I went and kind of spread out and like dispersed the white color a little bit, just so it wasn't like harsh lines. And then to add some glitter, I took fairy dust and applied little segments all over my nails. And then I took hologram diamond just to add some little bigger glitter chunks. Little bigger. Wow. Next, I took Topcoat and I applied that to all of my nails, just to give everything a nice smooth finish, and so I could wipe off the tacky layer before doing the crystals so it didn't stick to the dispersion there. And then once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer with a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol. And then I'm taking gummy jelly, which is to attach rhinestones, and I put a nice layer of that over the two big black sections. So I've got a good amount of adhesive to put the little crystals into. And then I took some base coat on a detail brush to smooth it out, just so I've got two layers of adhesive so the crystals will stay in there good. And then for the little crystal things, I'm using these crushed shells from Bundle Monster. It's just a big set, so I picked out 5 colors, and I started with the pink in the middle, and then the purple and the very dark purple on the outside on my ring finger. And then on my middle finger, I decided to do a blue nail. So I just used a light blue and a dark blue. So I just put those in the nail with the back of a cuticle pusher, and then just kind of use that to move them where I'd like them, kind of make sure they're flat-ish, and just so they'll be attached to my nail. Keep in mind this will leave a really rough surface. And then once cured, I dusted off all of the little pieces, and then I applied top coat over my middle two nails just to make it not quite as rough and to seal everything in. But these are very much three-dimensional nails that will have a rough geode-like crystal texture. And the top coat also gives the little crystal part some shine, which I think makes it look nicer. So once I removed the tacky layer from those, then that is it for this week's nail art look. I think they're super cool, and I really like the 3D element and how like the little shells actually look like crystals. So I'll leave links down below for the products I used if you're interested, and thanks for watching. Bye!